Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, watch as the ordinary corner turn into a magical Christmas moment. Start with a full of lush tree, real effects, and warp it with warm line lights streaming from top of button. Add bold red and golden ornaments, glitter snowflakes, and delicate ribbon following like a waterfall. Top it off with a sparkling star and watch the entire room glow with holiday cheer. This isn't just a tree, it's the heart of Christmas. The Christmas tree is a cozy, friends. Evening begin. Layer your tree with fairy lights for a soft golden glow. Viewers, add your favorites ornaments, some shining arms, sentimental. Hang candy cash for the kids. Slip in pin cones for a rustic touch and spark. Pin cones for a rustic touch and sparkling and glitter. Pick for glamour when you stitch on the light. The wall living room feel warm, peaceful, and ready of Christmas magic. Friends, make a statement with the glamorous holiday tree. Choose color petal, rich red and sparkling gold, and decorate with oversized ornaments for drama. Add cascade ribbon that spark down, giving your tree designer giving your tree a designer finish. Top with a big glitter bow or star and let your tree startle the show this season. Viewers, this Christmas tree is more than decoration, it's memory keeper. Each ornament